guys, this is Jackie from Project T Garage. Welcome back to the channel. I've just received some new product from Hansshow in the last couple of days. Probably see on my social media post. We are going to do an installation video, which is a really easy and short one to do. Required typically no technique at all. Just let you see the product. This is the door seal for Model 3 and Model Y. So it comes with a pair of door seal for the front and a pair for the back, which is missing from the genuine Tesla kit that you can buy. So what does it do is the front one sit on top on your original door seal, and the rear one would just go onto the door edge, just like how your original one is. So how does it work is work on a magnetic basis. So they're all battery operated. They don't need any wiring or anything to be done for them. So you see all the that's a sort of like a spongy thing up here, here, and here. So they are the on-off switch for this door seal. So it's operated by magnet. So this is a magnet that comes with the kit. So how does it work is I'll show you how to stick onto the door, how you use the guide that they give us to make sure we stick to the right place at least. So this is how it operates. So when your door is closed, the magnet will sit on top of the switch, and when your door is open, the magnet will get taken away by the door and it will lit up. And I think it lit up for a good 20 seconds until it switch off itself. So we'll just look at the back of these pieces. Let me see if I can set my camera towards it without me holding the camera. Yep, I can. So how does it work is it comes with the 2 button size battery. So they're coming with 2 CL2032 battery. So CL2032. So basically, if you unplug this 2 thing, so those are the 2 battery over there, and with a cap. So as you can see from the back, it got a recess, so allow you to put it on top of your original door seal, and obviously it's being attached by double-sided tape. So basically just press it down, and for this one you can see this actually raised up a little bit. Since we don't have an original door seal in our Model 3 or Model Y, this will just sit on top of the door edges, and it operates the same using this battery. And when you put it on, so it's closed, that's door closing simulation now, and when we take it off, it will lit up, and it's being operated by the 2 battery as well. Let's show you guys what it comes with the kit. So this is the guide for where you put the magnet. So what it is this is one side adhesive. So you just put adhesive side up and you just put it on the actual knob here. Remember, do not take this protector off until you finish the installation. First and foremost, because you will drop it for sure and you scratch it. The second reason is because of this knob, because this is to show where the actual on-off switch and where you need to place a magnet on your door side. So this will, once you put it on, then you close the door and open the door, this will go onto the door, and then you know exactly where to place a magnet. And you see it comes with 1 magnet each over here. I just got an extra one from them just to show you guys. And obviously they give us some adhesion promoter. I normally will use some alcohol to clean the area first, or alcohol wipe, I should say, to clean the area first, and then I use this adhesion promoter to make sure it sticks properly. That's the whole point of using this. Okay, let's go downstairs and put it on our project here. Okay, so we come down to the car now. So what it does is, you see, this is the recess that sit on top of the original door seal. So that will go on like that. So let me go and get some alcohol wipe. Okay, so now we will be installing the front door seal. First and foremost, let's clean this all up. This is just normal alcohol wipe. You probably have this at home due to the pandemic as well. So this will clean up the surface. And what next we'll do is use the adhesion promoter just to put it on the two spots that you'll be sticking it on. We'll save it for the back door later on. Now just need to take these two things off the double-sided tape. And just line it all up. Make sure you go on top and put some pressure on to make sure it all stick. Yep, it's all stick all right now. So what we do next is take one of these, probably not this one. There's a mess around with the other one earlier on. Okay, so one of these round form thing, put it on top of the form over there. Now I need to close the door now. So once we close the door, open it back up and see it's not there anymore. It went to right here. Okay, so what we need to do next is to take this magnet and put it inside the foam thingy. So I'll let you see. This is where the thing, and I just put the magnet down here. So next step is the most important step. I love this step. So remove the protection plastics. As you can see, it's sort of like a brushed aluminium type of feeling. And when we close the door, open it, see, it lit up now. Okay, let's do the back. Okay, so we are now doing the back. So before we find the positions to stick, since there's no guide for us to go where to stick the plate, there is one spot that particular fat in this door edge area. So what I would do is I would get some masking tape, prepare some masking tape here first, so I know exactly what I'm doing later on. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to feel that is a spot that is completely flat in here, which I think I found it, which is here. Okay, so this spot is where we need to stick it on. So we use a masking tape to mask the position. bit hard because the opening angle of the door is not wide enough, but it's okay, we can do it. Okay, so now we can take this off, so we know this spot is where we want it to be. We take back our alcohol wipe just to wipe this area down. Done. And also this is our adhesion wipe, adhesion promoter, so just put on. Once we're done, what we need to do is to peel this off. Okay. Okay, find that spot. So same thing, put some pressure on. Sorry, I probably will cover the camera up a little bit now. Okay, and then same step. What we need to do, take off one of these. It's actually easier to do this way. From the guide, close the door. It's gone now. So where it's gone, it will be right here. Okay, so the next step is to take this off, so we can put the magnet into this spot right here. And we'll show you the magnet is now on here, in here now. Okay, let's try before we do anything else. Close the door, open it, and it lit up. Alright, so do the last step. Take off all the masking tape. And this thing. Okay, alright, so that's completed my installation. Show you the front again. Lit up. Alright, all done. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you want to get a set of this LED door seal from Hansshow, just hop onto their website and use my discounted code below, and that will get you 25% off, as well as free FedEx shippings to your door. Now, please subscribe to this channel, share and comment. Let me know what you think about the video, and let me know what you want to see next in our DIY series. And I will see you next time. Happy modding!